Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to talk about the buildings in Jamaica. Now have you noticed that most of these buildings are getting taller and taller? We are actually looking at the tallest building in Jamaica right now. This is the Rogers. It's 20 floors. Now it's just within the last couple of years that the building started to go so high. One of the reasons is because the government changed, I shouldn't say the government, I should say the laws were upgraded or changed to allow more rooms per acre, more habitable rooms per acre. Now, somewhere like Barbican, you can now have 50 rooms, habitable rooms per acre. Other areas, you have less. I'm not sure if any areas have more, but that is one of the reasons why you have these taller buildings. And another reason is that the government actually, like NEPA, the government agency NEPA, they actually encourage people to build the buildings higher, more vertical. So we're going to give you guys an update. We're going to go through an article put out by NEPA where they encourage the taller buildings. To prevent urban sprawl, the National Environmental and Planning Agency, NEPA, is continuing its push to encourage developers to consider building more vertical structures. The term herbal sprawl describes the spread of unplanned low-density, auto-dependent development over large areas of land, resulting in significant distances between homes, businesses, and places of employment. He also shared that vertical development is being encouraged to prevent sprawling onto agricultural lands and environmentally sensitive areas. He also shared that vertical development, we are crying out for more green spaces and we want to ensure that we have a lot of it. So rather than spreading development as we used to, we are now having a shift where we're saying, let us do vertical development, the senior manager said. He added, if we can build in a component manner, if we can build in a compact manner, we will have more spaces for our green areas. From an agency standpoint, Mr. Williams pointed out that as urban planners, our main task is to really allocate land uses to satisfy the various demands in urban and rural areas across Jamaica. We want to ensure that our cities and communities are developed in a sustainable, resilient, and inclusive manner. And one of the major tools that we have used to undertake this important function is what we call our development orders, he said. A development order is a legal document that outlines, among other things, policy statements and guidelines that regulate and control the use of the land to ensure that it is not misused. It is prepared by the Town and Country Planning Authority located within NEPA in collaboration with major stakeholders such as the municipal corporations. Mr. Williams pointed out further that once a DO is confirmed, it is used by the TCPA and municipal corporations to guide development in the area to which it applies. So that's the rest. That's the end of the update. Now, Jamaica is progressing nicely. Kingston, all over Jamaica. Jamaica is progressing. Hotels are going up. Call center buildings are going up. Residential buildings are going up. And is like, take for example, One Belmont, 9 floors commercial building. Fully booked out, although 4 floors is parking. The other 5 are commercial, fully booked out. All these buildings keep going up and they are being sold out. People are definitely renting them or buying them. So it's good that NEPA is pushing for taller buildings because Jamaica needs more buildings, especially for the BPO sector. So we'll keep you guys updated on these mega constructions that are going on. This building that we showed you at the beginning was 20 floors. That's the Rogers. The Ascent is going to be 27 floors. And they plan to build a 34-floor building in New Kingston. And you have 4 towers that are 28 floors going up. It's the Pinnacle in Montego Bay. The Ascent has been approved, although they haven't started yet. And the Pinnacle has been approved. So those should definitely get started very soon. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these mega buildings that are going up around Jamaica. And the tallest building in Jamaica right now, finished building, is 20 floors. The tallest building in the Caribbean is the Anaconda Towers, which is 42 floors. I am sure it's just a matter of time before Jamaica builds a building more than 42 floors. It's just a matter of time. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.